Yo, what's popping? What's really going down? This is Stylepilot. Before we get started, though, subscribe real quick, man. Hit the button and all of that, because I got 15 and a quarter and a half subscribers. So if you're watching this, help me out, man. You might see me a year from now. I might have a bigger following. You never know. But leave a comment and all that too. If you have any questions, we're gonna get right into it. These are a couple of pickups that I got from my Vegas trip. You guys see on a couple of videos. If you go back and look at some of my videos, man, I go to Vegas twice a year to shop. And the reason why I do that is because a lot of these high-end designer stores like Versace, YSL, it used to be Gucci, but they don't do it anymore. Christian Louboutin, all these other places, they have 50% off sales and stuff on a lot of the items, non-traditional items, non-like staple items that they have. The reason why I always choose Vegas is because Vegas has multiple stores for all of these places, so you can really, and a lot of the stores have a lot of different things at each store. But, yeah, I go there all the time to get steals, especially during Christmas time, because I can buy stuff and knock stuff out for people and gifts of that nature. So, without further ado, I'm only going to show you guys two items, because the other two items, man, is just like, they're just a couple of shirts from Top Man and Zara and stuff. Like, you guys see that all the time. Like, that's nothing special. If you want to see that stuff, let me know, but I don't think you do. I'm going to get into it real quick. All right, I haven't opened this up. These are a pair of socks from Gucci, man. All right. Honestly, I have a few Gucci socks already. I don't need to do this. But I saw these. It was a group of guys. I don't know what they were doing. They looked like they were some promoter guys or something. It was a group of guys looking at a bunch of accessories. So I happened to walk by them, and I saw these socks. I was like, yo, these are hot. They look better than they do online. They look like some Nike Elite socks, kind of, but they're not these joints. And they're black with blue and white trimming and stuff. So basically on this sock, if I do it right, I think like the Gucci or whatever is supposed to go up the side of your leg instead of like on the Elite sock, it's on the back, but it's supposed to go up the side. And they're pretty good. I wear a 13, so this is a large. And with the ones with the monogram on it, they go all the way damn near, they go all the way up to my knee if I pull them hard enough. I haven't tried these on, so I don't know. It came with this little thing, little care treatment with the receipt and all that inside of it. I don't think you guys even care about this stuff. But, the receipt and all that is in here from Gucci and all that. But, it's just, to me, it's a sock. I think they were, how much were they? They were $120. $120 for a pair of socks. There's a pair of Jordans or whatever, but a lot of people don't have these socks. I haven't seen anybody with these socks on display. But anyway, the big dog, second thing I got myself for Christmas. Let me open it up and unbox it for you. It's an unboxing. Oh, man, look at that. Like I'm official. I'm doing unboxings. So, another thing I like, too, about going to a lot of stores, a lot of people don't know. Like, I remember before I started really traveling a lot, I used to go places and I would plan my luggage based around the stuff that I planned on buying. So if I planned on buying like a couple of pairs of sneakers and a jacket or something, I would like have a whole bag packed with nothing in it. And as I got older, I was like, yo, like how about I just ask them to ship it to me? And then when I started realizing that they'll ship it to you for free, but you got to kind of play it the right way. Like, you got to make it seem like to the sales associate a lot of times, like, hey, I'll buy these shoes, but I need room in my luggage because I'm going back home, so I can't buy them and take them with me. Can you give me free shipping? And a lot of times they say, yeah, but if you're like, oh, man, I can't wait to get these shoes, blah, 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 can you give me some free shipping? They're going to be like, oh, no, I don't know. Because they already know you're going to buy it and they know you want it. But you got to make it seem as if you're not going to make the purchase unless they ship it to you. And a lot of times, especially with high-end stores like YSL and stuff like that, their ground shipping gets there in like two days. If you ever order something from like Nike and you order regular shipping, it gets there damn near within a day. So it's the same thing with this. You know, some places you buy stuff and you get ground shipping, it takes almost 2 weeks. Not with these guys. Like, it's real quick. So, so it comes with like some wrapping and all that. They wrap it up real nice. Let's get into that. All right. So, this is from Saint Laurent. Oh man, my box is a little ripped. I don't know what happened right there. This is from Saint Laurent, man. These boots, I ordered some boots, I got some wide boots from the store. I tried them on. This is size 46, which is basically 47, which is basically a 14 in men's. Okay. Guess what I paid? Half off for these. Okay. Now the traditional, the really hot ones are the light tan suede joints, where it's like light brown wood right here on the bottoms. And those would never go on sale, but I've been wanting these, and I was about to pay full price for these. And I had a feeling, I was like, man, these are going to go on sale. And they did. So I got these 50% off. Normally they're like $11.95 or something, which is basically $1,270 or something. I got them for like $615. So, hey, if I can save $600, that's $600 that I can spend on something else. And guess what? I am. So, guys, sometimes with these high-end designers, man, you may not think that this stuff goes on sale. But they got to get rid of this inventory some type of way. It might not be exactly what you want, but you can find something that you like and get it for a lot cheaper. All right? So, guys, I don't know what else to tell you. With the wide boot, it's got the strap right there. Take it off and all that crap. You know, you can't take this one off, but you strap it around the backside, you know, tie it on, get your outfit right. And these boots make you look like Jesus himself, walking on water, walking on land, you know. But guys, anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm going to do a video here in the next couple of days about, I had some other pickups, but I had another pickup, this Gucci t-shirt. I always wanted it. I always wanted this shirt, but guys, I will talk about it. If you go check out my page when I post it, we'll talk about it, and you give me your opinion on it. But anyway, man, comment, like the video, subscribe, because I need those, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything at all, let me know. And remember, you all the flyest motherfucker on earth. I'll see y'all later, man.